How to reset Frigidaire ice maker. To reset your Frigidaire ice maker, start by switching it off if it has a power button. Then unplug just the ice maker or turn off the circuit breaker connected to it for about 5 minutes. This helps reset the internal system. Next, look for the reset button. You'll usually find it on the ice maker unit itself or behind the front panel. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until you hear a beep or see a light blink. That signals the reset process has started. After that, check the control arm. If it's stuck in the up position, gently push it down. The arm needs to be lowered for the unit to start making ice again. Then inspect the water line to make sure it's turned on and free from clogs or kinks. A blocked water line can stop the ice maker from working. Also check the water filter. If it's clogged or overdue for a replacement, it could be restricting water flow. If all else fails, consider checking the water inlet valve or contacting Frigidaire support for more advanced help.